VMS pump calibration. We can now proceed with the calibration of the dosing pump. We therefore need a graduated cylinder, taking into account the starting volume, in this case 1000 milliliters. We go on pressing the following buttons on the pump. Enter twice until we arrive to a short menu. Up arrow, full menu appears. Press Enter. Prog 1 mode appears. Press up arrow, Prog 2 setup appears. Press Enter. Press the up arrow until you arrive to Test. Press Enter and press the right button to set 100 strokes. Finally, press Enter. The pump will start withdrawing and will count 100 strokes backwards. At the end of the cycle, we'll take into account the liquid volume the pump withdrew. We now verify the amount of milliliters that the pump withdrew. 90. That means that, per each stroke, our pump withdrew 0.9 milliliters. That is now what we set on the pump. Exit this menu by pressing On, Off. Press the up arrow until we arrive to CC/ST. Press Enter and set 0.9 milliliters. Press Enter. Finally, press On, Off to finish the procedure.